Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam. Merry Christmas everybody and a Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. So today's video is going to be a little gadget video. This is something that I've had for months and I thought, right, it's time to unbox it and take a look at it. What are we looking at? We are looking at the Apple AirTag. Now I've got one of the Apple tiles. Not Apple tiles, sorry, just tile. I got a Tile Pro and I found it very useful if I'm trying to find something around the house, like if I'm trying to find my keys, that's where I got it attached to, or if I'm trying to sometimes I may be like looking to find my phone. But its use is flawed, and the reason being is that it doesn't have a GPS on it, whereas this apparently does have a GPS. So I've also bought a keyring for it. So that was the unboxing, nice and easy. It is like a little, it's like a little lady's watch, I'd say, the size of it. Oh, let's take that off. Oh, okay, and it's attached to the battery. Slide that. Ooh, it just came on. Ooh, so it looks like a badge. It really does look like a little badge. That's really weird. Like a little button. Right, okay, let's have a look at the instructions. Update to the latest iOS, turn on Bluetooth, then pull tab. Hold the device near and follow on-screen instructions. So, okay, let's go to Bluetooth. Okay, it's found it. So it says connect. Name AirTag. Keys. Enable additional AirTag features by sharing this iPhone's location. To improve AirTag location accuracy, switch your location sharing. Yep. Register AirTag to your Apple ID. Okay, so, yep. When AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point to its precise location. Find your AirTag by playing a sound from your phone. Notify when left behind. Receive a notification whenever you leave your AirTag behind. Is that it? Okay, so I think it's done what it's supposed to do. Let me pop it straight into this little thing that I have for this little keyring that clips on. So there we go, it is now in my keyring. Where do I go? There's no push button on it. Hold near device and follow instructions. That's all you have to do. So so how do you get into it? Is there an app? Misplacing something like your wallet doesn't have to be a big deal when it's has an AirTag attached. You can play a sound on the built-in speaker by going to New Items in tab in the Find My app, or say, Hey Siri, find my keys.
One sec. Okay, done. Looks like you left keys at home, 50 yards away.
Right, okay, so you've got to go into Find My, and it's showing there Dorian's keys. I'm going to change that. I'm going to rename the item, and I'm going to call them car keys. So it's showing it as here. Play the sound. So it looks like you can't do anything. Notifications, lost mode enable. So if I just go, hey Siri, call Dorian's car keys.
One possibility is Euro car parts on Dysart Road. Is that the one?
Hey Siri, where are my keys?
On it. Okay, done. Looks like you left keys at home, 50 yards away.
Hey Siri, where are my house keys? Hey Siri, where are my car keys?
One sec. Okay, done. Looks like you left keys at home, 50 yards away.
I'll click on that. See, now that's tile. Hey Siri, find my car keys.
One sec. Okay, done. Looks like you left keys at home, 50 yards away.
I don't know what to ask it. Hey Siri, call my AirTag.
Which phone number for Dorian? Mobile, home, or 07?
Siri, stop. Right, this is freaking me out now. Let's do my head in. Siri, AirTag. AirTag.
Apple.com should be able to answer that question and more.
I don't know what to ask. Hey Siri, where is my AirTag?
Looking for Dorian's car keys. It's nearby. Pinging Dorian's car keys now.
So half of this technology is knowing what to ask for, because it's all well and good having this and then thinking, oh my god, where are my car keys? But then this is gonna pick up tile and not AirTag. So let's just say I'm looking for my car keys. Hey Siri, where are Dorian's car keys?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
So if I close that down. Hey Siri, where are Dorian's car keys?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Hey Siri, where are Dorian's car keys?
One possibility is Euro car parts on Dysart Road.
She didn't
Want
understand
to try
it.
that one?
No.
The second.
Hey Siri, locate my car keys.
One moment. Okay, done. Looks like you left keys at home, 50 yards away.
See, that's gone to my tile. Hey Siri, locate Dorian's car keys.
Looking for Dorian's car keys. It's
There we go.
nearby. Pinging Dorian's car keys now.
So I've got to find myself in the third party. So I mean, it's the same with all of these voice activated apps and devices and everything. Half the issue I have with them is remembering what on earth I called them, because it's not going to find it. So I have to put in a different question to find my house keys, and then a separate question using myself as the third person to find my house keys. So I do like it, but it does get a bit confusing, and I just wish everything would just be sort of like similar in a way, so you don't have to try and remember what or who made the device, and then remember what the command is, because you might get the wrong thing. It's just a little bit confusing. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But anyway, nice, easy little design, and I do love the case for it. That really looks really smart. This is third party, this case for it, but it's really good. Fits in really nice. You can just undo the button like that and slide it out. So maybe you'd want it so the white is facing, it depends how fussy you are. I'm not really fussy, but to have the white facing what you would call the front, and then that's what you would call the back. Put the Apple in that direction so it matches onto it, and there we go. I have now done it. When it comes to changing the battery, I don't know, so let's take it out. Aha, right, okay, so that's what you do. Well, that's nice and easy to undo the battery. So you just push it in and then twist it like a little watch, like a watch back. I don't know if these are waterproof. That's talking about the battery. Choking hazards. Hey Siri, is the Apple AirTag waterproof? Is the Apple AirTag waterproof? Interesting question. Well, can you please find out? Jeepers creepers. Let's ask Google. Okay, so I found something on the net, and it basically says that the AirTag features an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, which means it can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes in laboratory conditions. This means the AirTag will hold up well to liquid exposure from rain or accidental spills. So it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. I think that's what you might call it. I don't know. So that's really interesting. So changing the battery on it, very easy. Don't need any tools. Pop it in this, and it does say that these are extremely resistant. So time will tell. So I'll come back in a year with this, and I will do my review, which will mean that I'd have had my tile for 2 years, and I would have had this for 1 year. So I'm going to come back to this in a year's time. This is just a quick first look. So I don't know if any of you guys have already got this. I know that a friend of mine has got one of these hidden in the vehicle to track it. So I will get another one of these and keep it in my wallet, and we'll see how it works. But it seems pretty simple. I got to try it. I think the most difficult part of this, and I was trying to remember what to ask Siri to do to find it, which will probably be a 4 times conversation anyway. So I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Very nice little thing, nice little design, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.